Welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a test to see if starting fluid really works to start your 7.3. Now it's about 25 degrees right now. Might have got down to 20 or something like that last night. And you know, a proper running 7.3 that runs like it should fire right up in this type of weather. But as some of you that know who have 7.3s with bad glow plugs and high miles that are wore out, y'all would know that it is very difficult for a 7.3 to start in this type of weather when it's wore out with bad glow plugs. So I didn't plug it in last night. If it was plugged in, it would have fired right up. Right now, if I tried cranking it, I could cycle glow plugs however many times I want. Wouldn't make a difference. It would just turn over for probably at least 3 to 5 minutes before it fires up. So I'm just gonna go straight for it, pop the hood, spray starting fluid for 4 seconds and see if it works to fire the truck right up. So let's see. Now, I don't think this is recommended. I wouldn't do it every time, but it's good for emergency situations. So we're gonna confirm if it works using the Walmart stuff. $5 a can down at the Walmart. All right, so I'm gonna go spray it and see if it works. All right, we're going for the kill. See if it works. And we'll give it one more snort, so it doesn't just fire it right up. That does fire it up a lot quicker than it would without starting fluid. My neighbor's over on the porch. I'm probably pissed off right now. Just smoked them out. Well, it works. Doesn't fire it right up. I think my problem was I wasn't touching the gas. I think as soon as you hear it start to try and turn over, you pump the gas to keep it running. But well, there you have it. It works. Definitely helps it start a lot faster. And you know, good for emergency situations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.